Hi, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. Tonight, people ask me, what's Uncle Al's doing? Well, I cook my own dinner. It's not a mukbang. It's people wondering what I eat. I cook myself because I can't find any women folk that still cooks. I have, let me pick the camera up. Okay, I made angel hair spaghetti, and that's homemade sauce and buffalo meatballs. A little bit of ketchup. I like ketchup. And I have grilled peppers. Yeah. Fresh tomatoes. Yeah. Chopped mushrooms grilled in butter. And that's for my dinner tonight, folks. Just a quickie because a lot of you gals out there from I think 13 to 23 can't cook worth a damn. So Uncle Alan got to take care of himself. I know how to sew, cook. I'm a poet, a world traveler. So I don't have to worry. And I'm going to have a delightful dinner. No, I'm not doing a mukbang, but people wondering what's Uncle Alan's eating for dinner, and that's one of them. I'm kind of private, and I don't like people spying me while I eat. So you have a nice Labor Day Sunday, and I'll catch you later with another video. Bye, boys and girls.